Hello guys, this is Arkneil Gaming and I'm going to show you a Clan Wars duel against a 1532 Finnish player. I fought against Trix, so let's watch the replay. If you enjoy these videos, please comment if you want more of these types of videos, so I can make more content like this. And don't forget to drop a like and share the content. Enjoy. So first, I'm going to use the homemade deck, the homemade golem deck that I've been using for a few seasons ago. I think around 5 seasons ago. And this deck was able to reach Ultimate Champion during that time. So even though this deck has outdated evolutions, it can still cope up with the current meta. Yeah. I have the guards for the Prince, and if my opponent is P.E.K.K.A, so I decided to pump, and he punished. I used my Electro Dragon and my pump got minored. Yeah, it sucks. Yeah, I think I misplayed with the Mega Minion. Should have used it on the Phoenix. So I used the favorite Yawning emote to DM. Sorry guys. Because he hard countered my pump. So he played guards at the bridge. Tried to capitalize on the counter push on the Lumberjack, but he has Wizard. And his clanmate is me. Guards for defense, Mega Minion for the Wizard, but the Mega Minion failed to take down the Wizard. So there goes my tower, there goes my pump. More Yawning from me. No more tower as well. Again, more Yawning. Let's speed it up, guys. Use Evo Zap, so well played to him. So I'm calling it good game because he has so many counters to my Electro Dragon. Yeah, and use the emote. So what I'm gonna do is gonna come back from a 0-1 situation. So I'm gonna use this another homemade deck, my Goblin Giant Double Prince deck. Again, more Yawning. This is my second account, so I don't have all the Evos. Actually, in my main account, I don't have all the Evos as well. So he has Night Witch and Mother Witch. And again with the emote. So I counter with my Yawning emote. Yeah. So the Prince connected and the Prince connected as well. So all he can do is now laugh. So I counter with a emote. Yeah, this is all about the BM, guys. Now he's angry and I counter with the emote again. So because I know he's not breaking through my defense. Yeah, I tried to go opposite lane, but I have a high HP tower there. Again, I counter with a crying emote and a emote before placing down my Prince. So he wasn't able to take my tower and I counter with more emotes. Next, the third game, I'm going to use the P.E.K.K.A Baby Dragon deck. Oh, I can close the times too. So I cycle my Evo Baby Dragon. Sorry, I cycle my normal Baby Dragon. Ram Rider connects. So I play defense because he has P.E.K.K.A. And good thing I have P.E.K.K.A. as well. He's using the P.E.K.K.A. Goblin Giant with the Prince. Yeah, well played to him because that's also a good deck because Dark Prince is buffed. Yeah, but he got the advantage there. I'm now 600 behind in tower HP. And he did a well-placed P.E.K.K.A. So he deserved the well-played for that. Defensive Berserker to counter the Lumberjack. Surprise Vines. Oh, he has the Fisherman as well. So counter with the Berserker again. Baby Dragon to support. Yeah, I Vines. Defensive P.E.K.K.A. Berserker again in the other lane. He likes to dueling pressure. And now I have the Baby Dragon evolution, but he had the Rocket. So now I have to be careful in placing my troops. P.E.K.K.A. takes down the Fisherman. Ram Rider connects. And now I'm back to defending with the P.E.K.K.A. He uses his P.E.K.K.A. on the back. Lumberjack evolution. So much damage. Baby Dragon to snipe the P.E.K.K.A. P.E.K.K.A. on the middle. Again, Baby Dragon. So our next card is the Ram Rider. You cannot stop that because I Vines. The Fisherman. But Ram Rider connects. Again, defensive P.E.K.K.A. and the Berserker for the Dark Prince. He hooked. Yeah. Dark Prince connects, but I'm still in the lead. So I have to protect the bridge. Defensive Ram Rider that connects. Yan. He said wow. And all he can do is now laugh. And now more BM. More BM. And so I'm the comeback king, guys. From now on, I'll be the comeback king. So hope you enjoyed, guys. That's a top 1,532 finish global player. So I'm pretty proud of myself. 1,532. And I also made a video that I defeated a top 167 player. Where's that? Wait. I can't see. Here, the top 167 player. I also made the content about this. And I'm also going to make a content about this top 3,000 player. Where's that? I think I saw it. I saw it in the replay. Ooh, he bought partial, but I'm at 5 million gold. So here's my replay. And there's another here. There's a 3,249 finisher here. I'm still going to make a content about this. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.